Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavangscha.
So, Vedic life means to become free as much as possible from the bodily disturbances. Therefore, the first education is to become brahmachari.
Yes.
Celibacy. Okay? Now, at the present moment, they are trying to make the abortion as law. But these rascals cannot check their sex life.
Yes.
You see? Their philosophy is that you shall go on with sex life unrestrictedly. And when there is pregnancy, kill the child.
Yes.
This is their rascal's philosophy. They have no idea that by training one can forget sex life.
Yes.
So, if you forget sex life, where is the question of abortion? Where is the question of abortion? But they cannot do that.
No.
Therefore, it is said, Adanta Gobhi Visadanta Misram. By non-restricted sense enjoyment, they are gradually going to the animal, a lower grade of life. They cannot explain why there are so many varieties of life. They cannot explain. So, this killer of a baby within the womb, so the result will be that this man who is, indulging in abortion, he will be put into the womb and somebody will kill him. Mm-hmm. And as many wombs or baby he has killed, he will have to take so many lives and being killed.
It's calm.
So much so that it will be rather impossible for him for hundreds of years not to see the light. He will remain in the womb and being killed.
Yes.
He does not know the nature's law. One cannot violate the nature's law. You can violate the state law. Suppose you kill somebody. You can escape by trick. But you cannot escape nature's law. As many times you have killed, so many times you have to be killed within the womb.
Yes.
This is nature's law.
I was very interested to talk to a nurse in one of the main London hospitals, only last week in fact, and she was saying that they're having almost impossible time trying to man these abortion wards now because all the nurses and doctors just don't want to do the work. In some cases, she was saying that they take a baby from its mother's womb and it's sort of put onto a tray and thrown into a litter bin, and you can see it moving. And they've had one or two cases at their hospital where they've gone out afterwards and they've seen babies moving.
Seen in Calcutta also, in dustbin, found out some child, dustbin.
Terrible. Some in such a advanced state of pregnancy that clearly life is a strong possibility.
And not advanced stage.
Yes.
Life begins from the very beginning of sex. The sex, the living entity is very small. By nature's law, according to his karma, he is sent to the father's semen, and that is injected. And immediately the two secretions emulsify, the man's and the woman's, and it forms a body just like a pea. That is the formation of body. Now the pea-like form develops gradually. Then first manifestation is the 9 holes. Everything is there in the Vedic literature.
Yes.
The 9 holes, we have got 9 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way, gradually, the senses develop. And by the time 7 months, everything is complete. And the living entity's consciousness come back. Prior to the formation of the body, the living entity remains unconscious, just like in chloroform, anesthetic. Then he dreams, and then gradually consciousness, at that time he becomes very much upset to come out. Then nature gives him hot. He comes out. This is the process of birth. What do they know? They do not know.